So I'm here at Moonlite Chicken and Grill, and I'm gonna try their couple of items. And right now, what I have here is this is their fried chicken. This is their lollipop chicken, and this is on the house. This is the chicken shawarma. This is the white sauce, their special white sauce. And right over here they have chicken chapli kebab. This is chicken roll. And right over here, this is called meat and egg paratha. So it has meat and egg filling. Set up a flatbread. So let's start with chicken over here. Actually, let's try with this shawarma on the house. Oh yeah. I really like the sauce. The white sauce is really good. A little tangy, but really good. Okay. Chicken is tender. Let's try with this fried chicken right here. Not anything unusual. Flavor wise, it's pretty much same as other places that you go and get fried chicken. And it's just spices or blend, but tastes good as fried chicken. No complaint about it. Fresh and hot. So okay, now let's try this lollipop chicken. Oh, well, it is really hot. To be honest, this thing has flavor. Yep, definitely. It has a lot of flavor. Also better than this one, the fried chicken. Like this one right there. Let me try this sauce. Okay. Oh yeah. Sauce is tasty as well. A little sweetness to it. Not like this one. It's a little tangy, but that sauce has a little sweet taste. Okay, let's go to their, I like the salad, the way they dress their salad. It's very cool. Have some spices on top. Okay, let's go with their chicken roll. Usually this kind of stuff gets really spicy, but this has mild spice. It's very subtle, uh, not so much flavor, but they kept it simple, so I have to give it to them. Now let's go with this chapli kebab. It's a chicken chapli kebab. Nice char. Let's go. Mm. This is excellent. You know, I mean, it's really good. You can eat it by itself, or I mean, you can actually eat it as like a burger, like a sandwich type. You know, just get some bun and then put these veggies in between, and then put this white sauce, and it's going to turn into a great sandwich. All right, let's go for the last one. This is the paratha that has chicken and egg inside, crispy on the outside. Let's go for the taste. Again, not a lot of spices. Really love the flavor. It's like very simple, just egg and chicken and some onions and probably some peppers. That's it. And it's crispy on the outside, but a little soft in the inside. On the inside, so that's good. Alright, guys. So that's about it. Moonlite Chicken Grill. It's in Jackson Heights. You guys can come and check it out. Hopefully, you can try their items here and you'll like it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.